What's up, Speak My Mind family, what's up? What's up? Happy Saturday evening, or I should say afternoon, because it has not touched even as yet. Wagwan, who go market, who for go market already? Who for go supermarket already? Boy, my people, just jump out nearly half an hour ago, you know? Yeah, jump up early today because now I look at semi-final match when me a trail 1 love from the first leg last week. So you don't know. Confident enough to get back still, you know. It was actually our own goal. And my team chose the worst time to play a bad game is in the semi-final. If you take it to the final, it's a good thing we have 2 legs. But you don't know. That is that. Speak your mind, people. Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit that thumbs up as you hit the video. Don't wait till you're done watching the video, because you might forget. Hit it as you hit the video. You understand? And please remember to watch the ads. And please remember the backup channel. Go over there and give it a subscription. Life is a Mission TV. You know, family oriented channel. You don't know. Link pinned in the comment section. Just open the link, and when the link open, just hit that subscription. And also in the description. Anyway, my people. Boy, social media look like it's all to turn up again. Yeah, and as me telling you, you know, this thing now gonna stop. It can stop, but I don't think it'll fully stop. It might just slow down, and then every time we can see it slow down and it just go back up. You know, it come like some people have some rise and fall belly. Yeah, man. You know them people that have rise and fall belly? This means you see them look like them a breed them pregnant belly out here so. And the next minute you see them belly gone in, they rise and fall. That's what social media coming like. People, I see 2 things are going on. Thursday leading up into Friday, if not earlier, because I say most time in a social media for see. Where Chris come out against Tina Chin. Yeah. Man say I hold it long time. And she continue to mouse around like some rat. You know, some rat in your house. Or you're there somewhere. Or which part, what's one, and them see you. And them, yeah, come like some rat. Whoever see some rat yet? Where you're there on your veranda, you see. Worse if you have dog in your yard where you feed the dog them outside. And you're there on your veranda or in your house or pull your door. And when you look, in the ear by your dog kennel there where you feed your dog with the food there, you see the rat them come on them the and them a sniff on them. Yeah. I saw Tina Chin stay. You understand? She continue to sniff at people. So when them come at her, she go on like say, okay, she not do nobody nothing at all. All because she might be coming at this person couple days back then, before the person finally, just like Chris now, who finally decides, oh, okay, me can't take this no more. Me can't make this wretch feel like I'm afraid of her. Me can't make this all vagabond feel like I'm afraid of her. So, make me go out there, make me step out. Where him did a try all of that all along. You understand? But him just can't take it no more. As them say, when your heart full and you can't take it no more, you're gonna come out. It's just that sometimes, based on the nature and the closeness of the individuals, sometimes it come off in a different way where it can cause violence, can cause problem. You know, as I say, based on the scenario and the closeness of the persons. But that is another thing brewing now. So by now and next week, look out for the water boil up hot. Hot. Understand? Anyway, put that one away. Next thing, which is the main topic I know. Curly you. You see, this is how you stay in a phone, you know. You can come on a platform, tell people what to do, or say, not tell. Say what you want people to do. Yeah. And you don't want to come out and give all sort of advice. People personal life, people public life, what them to do in a phone from what not to do in a phone. But as someone comes out and says something about Uno, Curly, you are one of the main ones. Me hear in another video where me go dissect a talk about two summer we can articulate and this and taranat and whatsoever. Never you ever use that word articulate again. Because you don't know nothing about articulating. You understand what I say to you? And as I say, if me have a set of admin like you, and I pay them, me fire them. Yeah, man. If me have a set of admin like you, and me pay them, me fire them. Because you have made a lot of blunders. Although, despite that, they might come out and tell you where you go wrong and you still not accept it. Who will tell you if you not cuss them off too? Because you have made a lot of blunders when you don't articulate properly and you come out and you get at people. And I kind of realize why you do that. Because you said it in this video. Because Dewesha come out and, well, you say I get back in my look on YouTube and thing after I'm dish the people them there. I'm not busy with that part. I'm talk about the video you know. And he might get a word, a wise word, you know, and thing. Which it seems to be you and him have some form of relationship, whether close, far, or near. And him come out and say certain things and I say, boy, I leave the people them man. When them talk, just leave them man. You follow them up too much and sometimes you this and very wise word of wisdom. And you take it to a different level. But here why you take it to a different level now? You claim to say you know see what Dewayne say. You stroll through YouTube and you see a title mark. Dewayne say Marcy a bangarang or something like so. Or hooligan, something like so. And you say you know what I look on the video. You know jump to the video, you know look on it. You say what you do, which is this you say you always do. When you see title and you see your face from thumbnail and them something there, it's go in the comment. And go see where the people them say in the comment. And then you judge from where the people them say in the comment. Where the people them say in the comment can be far different from what the person who is speaking and saying and getting his message across or our message across. It can be total different thing. Who in the comment can be people who misinterpret what the person is trying to say, just not like you, and just decide to type up something under in the comment bad about you. Then you go and you read all those bad comments coming down the line. And you just jump on your life. And jump on your life and started to discriminate and cuss the person when the person was not saying anything bad about you. The person was just probably giving a good wise word of advice. The person was just giving his or her opinion, just the same as how you would come on your life and give your opinion, you understand, and give your understanding about things, or as we say, give advice. Just like how you come recently, you want to give AD so much advice about weight loss and exercise and how she eat and fatty so and in her knee and all kind of something. All those things were advice. You understand? I'm sure AD never hire you as her advisor. But you give her all those advice. So what if someone comes and gives you an advice? You don't need to blow it out of proportion. And that's exactly what you do. You understand? And now people, this is another thing for the coming week. Because all you do is talk about, when I come off of this video and I'm done, if you want to go back and forth, I'm not going to go back and forth with you. Well, people will not look out for it. Because you don't know Marcy at hand. And when she come out, come say what she has and chat, what she has and talk, what she has talk, him not going to sit down and just take that easy. And as she say, if it's a comeback, he might look on YouTube after deserted the people them. And run go over tiki saki too quick. Him going to come off her. And remember, she is the big deal. So everybody want a piece of, everybody want to work off for you. Marcia, everybody want a piece of for you. What make you think so? Cause you a big deal. Everybody want to work off for you. Everybody want a piece of for you. Are you are the big deal, Marcia? So everybody want to come back off for you. Yes, Marcia. So look out for it, my people. You have 2 new things coming for this week. T-Gal, Chris, and Marcia and Dewesha. So you can mark it down and prepare for it come next week because it not go done here so. Because knowing T-Gal, she will continue to come and snap, 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 snap. Because she need that attention. That attention is what keeps she going, not her business. And Chris look like him cup over full now, so he's going to come back at her each time. Not like the past 4, 8, 6, 9, 10 weeks when he's just keeping in him shell and say, okay, make sure go and chat me now again. No time. Him say I'm at full now, so each time she talk, he's going to come out back at her. Alright, my people. Make us see what we can do with the master video, you know. And see, hold on there, one little cream truck and make a bag of nice plus the place windy, so soon be back. Yes, my people, welcome back. So, listen, Marcia and Dewey and Saga now, my people.
Not a problem to me. The gala is going on, the award is going on, and next year it's going on. So it's not a problem. No, it don't make sense. What sense to make? I mean, come on. What is the sense of coming, you guys getting paid on social media? You're not getting paid. There should not be any hesitation whatsoever that we're not getting paid. And it says pay for contents. You should prepare yourself before you come sit down in here.
What this is all about? What she say? What is for?
Before you come and sit in front of the platform.
She show me off here, sir.
You should come with an ideas. I don't know what this is. Own ideas. Good ideas. Not me. You can't come with the same thing over and over. This a woman in the toast attack. This a one in the dark pit attack. This a one in the hole attack. This a one over the fence attack. This a one, I mean, the same fucking thing. Over and over and over and over again. Me don't want you no more. Then how much I want to.
Well, she say she gonna break up the award, scratch out the award, because Dwayne must say him no want an award, she can't keep it. Well, people, the recipient them for this award show, I scrap themselves one by one. I wonder who next. I wonder if come next week we're gonna hear say Danger say she can't make the show. Then now we know say this, so everything done. We don't really I wish that to happen. Because me want to see the show go on, you know. Because reason being, I want to see the turnout. Reason being, I want to see the Miss Tina Chin when she turn out. Because basically she might turn out. Because since she live in New York, you understand, she might just turn out and she get an award and she make the cake and stuff. And she and her is like birds of a feather right now. So she can't disrespect and no go. Cause it not gonna stop this so. You understand? It not gonna stop this so. But see Dwayne take himself off. She said she never remember about Dwayne, so Dwayne dep on the award. He be dep on the award. But me never remember about him. Cause me notice me dep not talk about him. He be dep on the award. Oh yes, I never remember being sarcastic. I never remember. Yes. He was getting an award for new blogger of the year. Look at you. Want to come back at him. Hey, your body though?
No one a grand picnic. Eh, you come here and call people big grave back and old. I want to refresh like me. Well, me go up on the road today, and we there talking, and the man was like, when I told the man I was 50 years, the man was like, hell, no, you're not. Even when I went to ship off Romy ties at the post office, and the lady was, this one Jamaican lady coming her daughter, and when we did their talk, and the lady says, what, I would love to look like you when I'm 50.
That woman there idiot. Because she not say it's a Marcy Avan. If that the woman never say it's a Marcy Avan, she not say that. And one thing though, you ever get compliment and none of them can ever catch on camera. You never have your camera out yet one day when you get them compliment there. But we can see that somebody walk from all a distance whether you set it up or not. And we can say yes, that's true. Never. We not always a social media personnel. We love use phone and camera. We never can see things when you saw happen to you yet, whether positive or negative things. We never can come show the people them yet. One we can our car key, we can't see the scratch them all now. Tire puncher, we can't see the puncher all now. People are stalker, we can't see it all now. But you know, all of that. If you're a social media person, if you have them things as evidence and show it to the public. So we can say, yes, that's true, you talk.
Because you sure look good and vibrant and young. You understand? So me don't need nobody to prove nothing. Me look way younger in a person. Way slimmer in a person. Eh? So me not, so for the people me not hear it. I don't listen to it. I only saw the headline on the boy where I was a share all negativity. Me see the headline said Dewayne call Curly a warmonger.
Yeah.
Something like that so. I don't want to lie. Let me see if I made a phone. Let me see if I made a phone. And me say, all right, me not listen to him because me not give him no credit. Me not give him nothing. Because me have to watch commercial. And every time I go on the commercial, I skip film commercial anyway. If me can't skip it, me skip it. And me see that. And then me see him right up in. I want my phone them there. And me say, me not watch it. So me say, all right. Me of course, me say, I want one here. Well, that's what me do, you know. Me hear things, you know. Me not really watch them. Me just go into the comments. Me just go into the comment part, and when me go into the comment, me hear them say this and that and doing is right and all kind of stuff. Me say what?
So I understand me as my people. Why you go in a comment? Comment can't tell you what the man say. Cause our comment can be haters of you. And them come and when doing and say something good about you. Them would have come and cuss him. Them would have want to say things bad about you. Say no, she not good. So you gotta use that and judge say something bad the person say about you. No, go and listen to the person. And listen with understanding and knowledge and make your own judgment. Don't watch the comment. Another comment make the statement.
Me say what? How you answer to me? So at the comment them me read and me say, oh, based on how the people them attack, a big piece of showdown, input on. Well, do it. Me not waste the time for you know, cause me say something right. So me not add no more to your depression. To tell you my attitude. You not take you out for me.
Tell him deeds no master.
You have to go drink some water this time here.
Cause soon as you need another cup of cane or no ball out, you don't want that secret. That's why nobody now know my one and me not have none.
Me not add nothing to your trauma. You understand? Me not add it. Me not add nothing more to it. You understand? Me know who me is. So you know what? Me going to make sleeping dogs lies. And nobody come apologize to me because I not accept it. Me I tell you right now. Nobody come apologize.
You hear that? The woman don't want an apology from you, so no come call her or go in her DM or WhatsApp her.
And you're not going to take out your frustration from me. So you go on about your business and try your best to leave me alone and keep your promise. You understand? So if you feel like say you can come out here and use your big words them and your education from people, and when people are put on little S's and little dashes and one of things so they're more intelligent than people, want to make a blood clot mad mistake. So when you can come out here with a perfect English and a perfect education and talk about from people. Perfect whether I want to disable or disable not. Find use time to do with it. And when you can work on a computer.
So you're calling Dewayne disabled now. But it's still when other people comes out and speak, you say people are this and people are that. Because psychologically, that's what you're saying, You can't come with the big words, because you said Dewayne use big words. Dewesha is using big words. So Dewayne use big words and a speak and this. Them can go around them desks and big desks and go work. Because whatsoever. Okay, so basically you're calling me handicap. Alright. Are you say it on me?
When you can wheel on a chair, special chair, at the same when you come on social media and when you claim so you have a big education, you can't tell people how to speak and how not to speak. A long time you insult me. Even when I do my work, you come over there with your word and tell me how to spell something. The same. same way the time that you take up to come on social media and sit down and try to tell people like a professor, at the same way you can go into an office and go do your professional work said way. Me see people non Queens and Long Island and everywhere, Connecticut, them still wheel themselves in a one nice chair and go straight go do what them have to do said way and do them it.
What kind of nice chair they for wheel themselves, you know? In a disabled chair? Because this is what you're saying neatly, you know. And not going like you're smart, you know. So Dewesha must go get a disabled chair and wheel himself in an office with him educated self and him nice speech. So you just stop from saying if you go take him disabled self and go look work. You understand? But all this never been said before now. And when other people did do or say things which is not discriminating as what you are trying to do now, like you're smart, the whole on blow it out of proportion. When such a lady seen him for the first time, never know that he was in that condition when she sees him can hardly walk and him have to be walking his stick. Not going to go back into it. And she said on them blow it way out of proportion and some of them dog, yeah. But it wasn't a problem to them. But as soon as them have it, we said them and the woman over so fall out, it becomes problem to them. Just like you now. All of a sudden, him wasn't disabled, him no need a special need chair, him no need nothing. Him can stay same place at England in him house on him bed or him set and do him live. But now you and him is at probably odds now. I don't know if I call it that way there. Him need special need chair for go look work. If you were arty, you not look no work. And you're not far better than him. You arty, you not look no work and you're not far better than him.
Education, since you think you're better than everybody else, and you're more educated than everybody else. So me not go argue with you. You understand? So when now come on social media, come go like when you walk off like Marcia show. You understand? And things say, oh, because when you can't come and chat big word. A lot of people chat big word, but they head not right. You understand? You understand? I don't want no advice. You understand? Don't give me no advice. So don't give it to me. Welcome to the club. And many times him diss me. Many times him drop word for me. And many times people call me and tell me, say, Master, stay away from doing is a hypocrite. Me still, even though I know say him a two more cutlass in many ways. And from him diss me last time, I take me look at time and I go over there the page and I do what I have to do. I make watch him, and if I feel like watching, and whatever it is. Me not go there with you. Why would I go there with you? For what? For hear the same thing over and over. Look how much time this me. If you want to go on the plank side, go along. You know, so you welcome you. Because you want to go for a long time, you know. So go on over the plank side. You know, see the plank people, them welcome you. I pay them to take up for you, know. All of me heading with them. And them over there, oh, he's doing, I like the way he's speaking the truth.
So, all of the plank of them are your enemy, you know, other enemy out the road. And all you know say a planka in the comment section a comment. This is how you stay. You blame things on one set of people. You blame things on the person who tell you say yeah, I read today. But the man around the corner where you do something 5 months or 6 months ago, we just take it easy and wait for the right time. Where him pounce upon you and do what him for do. You don't have him in your thinking or your thoughts that him do nothing, you know. You have me, because I'm me presently tell you yesterday or today say yeah, I read. And poor me, despite telling you say yeah, I read and never me do nothing. And the man who you do 6 months ago or 5 months ago something, and him do what him do. But you're not pre him, you're pre me. And that's why I tell again say people who don't threaten nobody. Because you see threat is a dangerous thing. Because all when you commit the act, them can implicate you into the doings of whatever happened. Because a man just sit down and hear say you threaten that man there today. We want to do him something how much months or years ago. And him just take the opportunity and do what you say you are going to do. And everything come down upon you because you recently said that. And that fresh in the minds and the ears of everybody. While the 6 month man, 6 year man, nobody remember him. But him have it up in his heart and tell him, says him, Afi, do something one day. And him finally get the opportunity and do it. And all because of your threat, you get into the problem.
some intelligent people over there, you know. So go on over there, go join them. Them need you. Remember, you were the number one support over there. So no. You know if you diss me, if you go over there, go and go join them. Go and go join them.
Oh, you mean, Marcia, be a dunce the over planker. Be a dunce progressive people. Peer dunce progressive people. Over on the side where you will have bright people, them not see no progress, you know. So right now, you know, if me have to swap brightness for progress, I guess some there. If me have to swap dunceness for progress. How am I sure say it? Oh, swap brightness for progress, I guess some there. So if me have to dunce and a progress in a life, I guess some me want there. Me no want bright and not progress in a life. What the sense? It don't make no sense. Brightness can't go shop.
Them did they take up for you, all of them. Me watch over YouTube, all of them start sharing now. Do any so and so, do any so. So go along over there. We know that you want to go back over there. We know that. We know that you want to join the club over there. So go on over there, don't call me name. No, come give me no advice. I don't want advice from you.
You a big deal. So you need a welcome back into YouTube, so you have to call your name. Now you say a big deal, everybody have to call your name because everybody have to make money off your name. And you
so
can't
if you
make money off your name.
If you want to go back, just take your little self and pack your bag and go right over there, go start big them up. All you have to start go over there and say, oh, I love my auntie. They right now they accept you. So as long as you talk about me some more, me give you the permission, come for your page, come diss me some more. And give them and make them run with it and just go on right over there done. Walk yourself right over there. But make sure me I want you. You diss me, make sure say you not call back this phone and not send me a text message as long as I'm on social media. And the last chance I give you is tonight, yeah. The last chance. Because me not see what me say. For you if you come on social media.
I want to know, you know. My social media friendship and last long, you know. And that's why all of you know, if you just know the barriers and just keep it at a level. Because social media friendship when me see every minute gone sour. No care you see them live love, especially over the side them. Would we talk about over the side where them say at the down side? Over the bright side, me can't see all them bright so. And the simplest thing trigger them off. Trigger off them friendship. And they are so bright. Come on man, leave that to the dons, leave that to us. Too much social media friendship I got sour over the bright side man. Every minute on a jump off. When you remind me when me a little boy and down a Victoria Pier, I jump off. You know, down a mall, who don't know Victoria Pier, down a mall downtown, and I jump off in the sea. Every minute on a jump off, man. I want so bright. You can't reason out nothing. You don't understand when you don't speak. You don't understand one another. I want so bright. Leave that to the dance crew.
Don't come on social media. Don't call back my number. I don't need you for good. So you can go join the elite club, as they call themselves, and live the God bless. Me rather to be God bless than be a cult leader and cult members. So me I can let you know. Because
you pass cult, you know God bless, and you never bless. So now come talk about you prefer to be God blessed than this and that and cult. You pass cult. You talk about Obi upon social media the most. You believe in Obi upon social media the most. You believe in a negativity in life the most. So don't come on social media, come talk about no cult. You understand? Because you never hear nobody come on social media on none of them platforms say them know the best railway of Africa. And yet still you claim to say you never go to Africa yet. So how you know them and you come on your platform come say that? Because you come for your platform and say you know the best man will do that to Africa. And a day you go for the doctor. Remember, you know. Because sometimes when you talk, I don't remember what you say. So don't come back with this cult argument over here. You and doing a talk when you just talk.
Long time. Great back woman, me and Tina and Lorraine. You have dropped many words. We are grandmother, we are this and we are what.
You're trying to draw other people into it now. You understand? Remember, you know, you and doing, you know, the stuff you're saying. And you started to cast rope like you're a cowboy. You know? I try to draw other people into it. Oh, Lorraine and Tina get involved in this. Plus, you and doing in things. It's not even me say, boy, yes. As somebody who presently stands out and stands up as a planker. Nobody know what Dewesha is. And nobody want to know who Dewesha is. Because he already show who he is. This either he's a cloud chaser, he's a hypocrite, 4, 5 or 6 side cutlass, we already know who him is. So we don't need to know who him is again. But I will never ever recognize Dewesha as a planker. No care what him do back then. He has exposed himself more than one time. And when I say expose, I'm not saying him expose himself because he comes out and speak the truth. Or speak what goes like that, or him give an honest opinion as how he feel about what going on in planker shop. Him come and him fabricate. Him come and him fabricate. And him find time to form crew with uno same one. All because probably him not getting the attention that he expect to get from AD. You understand? The attention we him want, him not get it. So him farm crew, we don't know, and him come out and him chat all kind of things. So we know who him is. So me don't know nobody else. Me not have him as no planker, and will never have him as a planker. No care what him do before. Alright? So don't come go on like say. You talk to somebody and say you're doing a talk, so you draw planker in night and you carry your friend them in night. You want doing talk out of the thing. This is only stay on the other side. This argument and fuss and fight will always into social media. Because when uno arena things, uno pull Jana, uno pull Tom, uno pull the dog, uno pull everybody in it. And everybody's going to have a say about what have been said when them watch the video or them watch the live. And then it just start expand and escalate and gone out. Like when wildfire get away. And I own us on our big people with understanding, big people with knowledge. I own us when the social media thing I go stop. And I own continue to fuel it. Uno and the same spectators, supporters and subscribers and fans we wanna have. We are carry things and I carry news to Uno. You understand? Uno admin. Uno wanna call them people that we can use and delete comment. Moderators. Uno are the people who have caused the problem with the back and forth. Carrying a news and not carrying it properly and not twist it because you don't want excitement. And one of you say no see, like all for your moderator them and what you call them? Admin them. Them not see no time when you make no mistake curly. If you can't correct you. Me say what do you do on video call up on me name and me dem answer you. Where you lie down in your bed and look African print something where you wipe your face and say you're going to bed. And when me look on your caption, me see RELAX space SEND. You know what you say you want, right? That's all. You're relaxing. And a relax send. Relax send. You're right. And also relaxing spell. Relaxing spell RELAXING. Relaxing. Not relax send. RELAX, then dash SEND. Your moderator them not see them something there. Your admin not see them something there. And this is not the first. This is more than one time. That is not typo error. You understand? Those are the things on the admin and the moderator them to see and call up on phone and text and telling them to correct them. Sometimes yes, we make mistake in spelling. Sometimes a typo error. But typo error no go like when you caption nothing. Because when you caption, it's not like you have the what you call that again? Like you know when you type and you start spell a word and spell out the word, yeah. When you title your video, that not happen. So that cannot be typo error. You understand? And your moderator them not see say you not spell relaxing properly. But if I mix up them that call you and tell you long time. Only girl up in your comments so and talk and go on like so she own your platform. Because sometimes one if I see alone upon your live them. Because when you look upon 100 comment, 85 of them are only girl. She not see them something you have to tell you. And tell us if you correct it and spell relaxing for you if you can't spell it.
I don't need done. I mean, I trust me. Me not go listen to the videotape. Me not take on the more demon on social media. Me
So
not
how
take
you
on
are
no more
going to
body
know what has been
transformation.
said if you're
No,
not
no,
listening and you just go off a comment?
me. Remember July the 23rd, people. It's Marcia Gala.
They ever want to promote that from page.
Position for me. You understand? So me I'll let you know. Me I'll let you know today at Nelco carrier. Nobody call back to me over YouTube. I done. Me not fi block you or nothing, but me I'll let you know, so you try your best. You can't.
Why, Marcia?
I don't put in one word. I don't lie me I tell with this. I don't lie me I tell with the TikTok situation. It's not lie me telling what the conversation I said. You must see send your friend request. Cause you know them out, you 5,000 at the last time me check. You understand? So me they right behind your body. And you know some me over there. And me say, but normally you that be the person who come and
That's all Marcia do, you know. Sit down and watch people's subscription. That's all she do. Sit down. If you notice her, every time she attack, she always want to compare the amount of subscribers that a person has on them page to she. Marcia, you know, she say you have people who have all 100,000 subscribers and followers. And sometimes when them depend them live, you barely see 300 or 400 somebody upon it. Probably me have gone too far. You understand? When you look on them video, after them post the video, sometimes the video they even get 10,000 views good. And 8 till them have 800,000, 100,000 people upon them will subscribe and follow them program and them channel. Sometimes a person subscribe to you for a reason or not. One reason or the other, you know. Sometimes the person don't subscribe to you and say, boy, okay, yes, they're a subscriber of you. They're a supporter. Them is just a fan. Them subscribe because them want, boom, yeah, me like in time mix up a one so I can't get it. Once you not give them what them want, they won't tune into you. Some people subscribe for different reasons. Sometimes a man just share your content and beg a man to subscribe and him subscribe, but at the same time, him not really a supporter of you. Him just subscribe because somebody did share your content and ask him to subscribe or ask her to subscribe. So stop coming on phones, come compare subscription. And that's how you do all the while. Compare people's subscription with yours.
when you say Curly because reach 4,000 followers in a less than 2 weeks, a big deal that over TikTok. So me expect you to come and like, well, Curly, what you say? You know, with them the start or something there. Me not hear us say nothing. Me go live over there. Me think you would have joined in and said, Curly, welcome and this and that. Nothing. You keep MIA.
Well, MIA, people, me don't know the abbreviation there. Me don't know the abbreviation for MIA. No. So, no go in and comment and tell me. Honestly, I don't know it. From last time, me hear it, me I try to work it out, but me don't know. I put a man in silent. I should say him MIA, man in silent. silent and start with A. So me no know. Honestly, me no know the abbreviation for that. So don't tell me in the comment section. But you see, them always say this, you know. If you not step in a ant's belly, you don't see where you it. Because probably if Dewesha never come out and I give her a word of advice, Dewesha wouldn't know now, so she have him up over the whole TikTok saga. Where she were expecting Dwayne if you add her upon him live or come upon fear live and them create one excitement. So basically them would have come like a coup, you know, coming from YouTube and Facebook. Yeah. Cause you hear her? She expect Dwayne to come and say, hey Curly, what Curly, yeah. I don't know Curly, I never know you know, but hey Curly. Come with the excitement over TikTok to draw attention. You understand? To get followers. So true that never happened. She have up Dewesha. So you see, if him never come and give her a word of advice according to him, she wouldn't spit everything. Everything that inside her see and weird. So that's why them say sometimes you have to step in a hand's belly. You see what inside her is. You can't just look on the hands and know what in it. You understand? You see a man's face, but you never know his heart. Because you can't see him heart, you don't know what him have in it, you don't know what him think. So sometimes you put there on all the person where you say your friend and family, and you just say some simple little things, man. Just to see how them react. You know, deep down in here, where you go say, you know, me nothing, you know. It's just like a trial for you to see how the person are going to react, how them take what you going to say. Yeah, man.
Me come over there and me see, me say to my friend, say, oh, me a follow, me see, me a click on him page and me nah see, man, me can't go on him page none at all. Me just say following. Me a follow you. He say following. But me a click on him page and me can never go on it. Me can't go on it none at all. So me don't know if I have to accept you for you go on him page then. Me don't know how it work. So maybe me don't know it works. So maybe because me no him no click on me hands. So
That's how you shall find out before you come. Attack all kind of thing. Because you have people pages set up different, you know. You have people who is technology savvy and there is features out there where them use where them platform is concerned. You have some platform on YouTube. If you don't subscribe to that channel for over a minute or 2 minutes, depends on how them set it up, you can't comment. You understand? If you don't subscribe to that channel for over a minute, you can't comment. So don't feel like say you can just stroll and see and like what you see go on and you can run the comment. You have to subscribe. And it's a form of what they call probably generalship. Because if you just text your message, you might go on about your business after you done text. But if you subscribe and then you have to wait for the minute and doing your text, you might not remember to unsubscribe if you don't really want to subscribe. So there's a chance of the platform holder getting your subscription. You understand? So you have a whole heap of people out there with computer savvy and them know certain features. Unlike me, know nothing about computer. I'm not technology friendly. I'm not afraid to talk that. I talk it more than one time. I'm not technology friendly. When it come on to that part there, that's why right now, I don't even use laptop. Anything to do with laptop, or somebody else have to do that. Because I'm not technology friendly. So you should find out if there is a feature where the man set up on him page before you come out and link out. Why you said the man should call you, because he have your number or WhatsApp you. Why you never call him or WhatsApp him and say, oh, me nah see, you accept my friend request or nothing. Why you never do that? But you want him to do that to you. Everything must go in for uno favor, but when uno do about the same thing, uno want people to do to uno. Uno not doing it. Uno too big to do it. You could have go on your phone to and WhatsApp him or call him and said, Dewesha, oh, me over TikTok and me send a friend request and me can't see or me can't this or me can't that. And then he would have explained to you. And then he'd have find out if I black him black, you cement you, him brick you or him board you. You understand? Instead of you come on your platform and ball out.
do we not even come heal me up? And what me doing? Me not even heal me up over here. Me think say me that reach from my page long time and run on TikTok. And Derek me see run come. And him
Probably Dewesha say him no want a clown over him page. And true, Derek is a clown now. Derek just jump on your page. and say, alright, a clown thing are going over there, so you know. So here want me. Derek, over there, so. Curly, me don't want you over here, so. You understand? So probably through your clown, him don't really want a clown for him page. Because I don't want nobody come laugh off of him.
He expect to run come Ray Curly, welcome to TikTok, and me and him do some real life over there and whatever it is. But me see him keep MIA. When me say wrong.
MIA, remember, tell me in the comment what's the abbreviation of
Me not say
MIA.
wrong.
Curly, you want to do and come get a hype over tiki-taki. And true she not get it. Her belly grow bigger for him. Jesus, please me afraid down in a social media, you know. That's why I just hold my corner and keep my levels. Yeah man, afraid down, man. Everything on a take ton problem.
You see, someone who no comprehend properly, you know. As much as me I done say, me I tell you, you know. Someone who don't have no intellectual ability to comprehend. Who have some big blood clot duns. All people out there we have degree. Who have some big pussy clot duns out there.
So that I get
Who
to hear
no
master, I
bias.
miss it.
It no matter what me do, who no always going to see different sides. Who no now go, who no don't like me. And for no blood clot business, if who no don't like me, I am rich, honey. I mean no say it no grudge me for. Me
What master just said, none of them not intellectual, them can't comprehend. Oh gosh, man. Did master say that? Hey, grandma come back next week, you know. So when grandma catch you, grandma gone to Paris. When grandma come next week, me service someone in the car. Grandma said when she come back, she want to hold 15 minutes to herself. With one of you. I don't know which one. So, grandma come about Monday. So I want to try to know what I want to do. Hey Chin, we want self and grandma to link up, you know. Yeah, grandma says she likes self. So I want grandma and self to link up. Grandma come Monday, so one of them days we're going to link up grandma and self. Yeah man. Grandma says she want 15 minutes with one of them, man. She alone, she don't want beside her. So when she come Monday, we see what work out. Yeah man, grandma says she want a 15-minute video around, man. Remember, so look out for grandma.
blood clot tonight. Don't let me start doing, please. You're gonna be nice. Come realize say you're going through some depressions.
That's why I know say this not stop you so. You hear she say? Do we don't make a diss up your
because it
BC
was
tonight.
a wrong channel.
Cause you're delusional.
And when them ask for the password and in that England,
It
Facebook
not stop
shut
you
it
so
down
many people.
and send a message and tell me.
Anyway, speak my mind people. That is all for now, you know, as my son prepare for grandma, cause grandma call and say she want a video, cause she up there watch some things, you know. And she don't know which one of them she gonna take on, if a T-Sin or Marcia Campbell or whosoever, but anytime she drop, anyway the water hot, and that's where she want to go. And right now she there Paris. And she want some warmness in her soul when she come. You understand? So speak my mind people, continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit this thumbs up as you hit the video. Remember to watch the ads and remember the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. Alright, let's go over there and hit the subscription button. Link pin in the comment section and in the description. You don't know. Have a happy weekend my people. Until grandma come Monday. I'm gonna hear grandma if she in her mood. If not, I'll wait till she in her mood down in the week. So come to the end of another video. Have a happy Sunday. Who can send dinner for me, send it. I don't have no PayPal or no Zelle. I don't know FedEx will work tomorrow. FedEx not work. I'm going to send it off Monday. Rice and peas nice. Anytime overnight and hot up. Roast rice and peas and pork. I'm out.